Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Wake Me reminders on the Bus London application, meaning that when you would like to get off at a particular stop, you will get a reminder beforehand so you won't forget to get off. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the nearby button down below in the left side corner and select stop, either from the map, the search bar, or from the recommendations. After that, tap on this three dots icon next to it at the top. Tap on set up Wake Me alert, and then you should go to your settings. So tap on OK and allow the app to have access to your location. Go back to the app, and then you can finally set up this Wake Me reminder. As you can see, you will be notified when approaching this stop. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.